FFL is organizing their third annual swimming festival in Vasco at Sada Swimming Pool, and Joe has been very enthusiastic, very encouraging to the younger generation. See, this year's our theme at the world level, our world aquatics president has given a call saying that take swimming to the younger generation, develop swimming, convince them that it is a life-saving sports. Proper courses, proper coaching, proper classes. Initially there is some fear among the younger generation, but then that fear goes and they become good swimmers.
Bearing on a good lifestyle or life-saving, as Mr. Kamat spoke about, they are the first ones to come and always support. At Fit for Life, we have these initiatives, but this is not possible without the support of the association, without the support of the government. And Mr. Yogiraj and Mr. Digambar Kamat has always stood by our side. So thank you very much, sir. And we are looking forward to having this event. This is going to be our third event. Each year it has got bigger. As we said, Mr. Digambar Kamat said, we're going to have touch pads to make sure that there is fairness and there's no bias. To make sure this time that we have a good event. We are also making sure we're using the Sada pool. A lot of people don't know, but this pool is actually built on international guidelines where you have blocks on both the sides. So we have some really exciting races planned. In fact, when we have our events, we want to make sure that the audience also is captivated and excited, and it's not boring.
This is one of the biggest event as far as swimming goes in Goa. We encourage, as part of Goa Swimming Association, we encourage such initiatives by FFL and even other associations and clubs to come ahead and have such events. They help our Goan swimmers to boost confidence in them, and also they are able to have a competition, healthy competition, and develop true sportsmanship by competing with swimmers from outside Goa. It helps them to develop their swimming skills as well.